Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I have something really excited to share with you. The Agaro Soup Maker. A kitchen appliance that's about to make your soup making experience easier and more convenient than ever before. It comes with 2 years warranty, a power socket and a user manual. Its user-friendly control panel lets you choose between 6 different present modes for various types of soups such as smooth, chunky, compote, jam, reheat and blend. Now let's see how easy it is to use the Agaro Soup Maker. Here, I'm going to make a tasty tomato soup. Open the lid of the appliance and add in your ingredients. A spoon of butter, a cup of tomatoes, a small cup of beetroot, few pieces of garlic, a cup of carrots, 2 green chilies, some coriander, pinch of pepper, oregano and salt. Add water accordingly and just give it a stir after adding the ingredients. Once everything is in, close the lid securely. Now, let's select the Smooth Soup option on the control panel. The Agaro Soup Maker will start the cooking and blending process automatically. In just a matter of minutes, your soup will be ready. And now, the best part, the taste test. We've prepared a tomato soup using the Agaro Soup Maker and it smells absolutely amazing. The consistency is perfect and all the flavors are well incorporated. Now, let's prepare yummy homemade pineapple jam. Open the lid and add in your ingredients. Firstly, 2 cups of pineapple, 1 glass of sugar and a pinch of salt. Once everything is in, close the lid securely. Now let's select the compote option on the control panel. The Agaro Soup Maker will start the cooking and blending process automatically. We can also use jam option alternatively. In just a matter of minutes, yummy homemade pineapple jam will be ready. It smells absolutely amazing. The consistency is perfect and the jam tastes fresh and delicious. The Agaro Soup Maker is a game changer in the kitchen. It's incredibly convenient, easy to use and delivers fantastic results.